Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video today on the 2017 Volkswagen Golf walk around. It's a beautiful May the 1st, 2020, and I'm looking forward to showing you around this beautiful car. Let's take a look. So here we go, 27 Volkswagen Golf, finished in Tornado Red. Why the Tornado? I'm not sure, but it is a great looking car. It holds true to the classic Volkswagen styling. They've always had that compact look, but beautifully styled lights there that kind of form right into the side of the fenders and off down the side of the car. Nice alloy wheels trimmed up with some almost new Hankook tires. So great looking tires on there, lots of wear left. It's got the signal indicators built in here into the side of the mirrors for extra safety when people are beside you. Looks great from behind too. I love what they did with the redesign on the taillights too, kind of sculpted them in. And you can see they have that little bit more of the squared look in there, so they're going to have LED lights inside. Great looking tail here. Okay, can unlock the trunk. Got two keys with the car, hit the trunk button. This little Volkswagen symbol pushes in, opens up. And when you go into reverse, there's a little camera that pops open and actually opens this up when you're backing up. So you can see what's behind you, and then when you're not in reverse, it closes just like that. So it's pretty cool. I'm only the one on camera today, so I won't be able to show you how that looks from behind, but it's pretty cool. Nice big space, tonneau cover, simply unclips here. You just kind of hit it from below, pop it up, and it pops out nice and easy. And it does have that 60-40 split folding seat in there. If you see the pictures in the link below to the actual website, you'll see some nice pictures with the seat folded down. There is a 12-volt accessory there too, which is important if you're karting, a little portable cooler on a trip or something like that, where you can plug it in. Okay, spare tire, temporary spare with all your tools for changing the tire should you run into some issues there. Okay, let's take a look in the back seat. One thing that's nice about the Golf is it holds true to that hatchback styling that has been very successful for a lot of companies over the years, and the Golf, formerly the Rabbit, holds true to that. You know, where it's got lots of great space for family, but if you need to move something around, those seats fold down nicely. Some vents in the back seat there to help with circulation for the rear passengers. And then a look forward at the front cluster gauge and seating area there. So let's dive in here. So you've got adjustable power mirrors. When you switch it to the bottom setting there, that's the heat for the winter time. And then there's all your options for rolling up and down the windows electronically. Power lumbar for the seat adjustment there, back and forth. And then height adjustment here with the forward and back moving of the seat with that little guy there. Okay. Once we're in, there is a little lever down on the side here. You just pull this down and that frees up the steering wheel so it can move in and out, up and down as well too. Get some life in it. Okay, this vehicle is equipped with a 1.8 liter turbocharged engine. Puts out about 170 horsepower with very close to 200 foot-pounds of torque. So torque, for those that hear the numbers and wonder what it's all about, is it's the twisting force that the motor puts out under revs. So with 200 foot-pounds of torque, this car pulls very, very nicely. So when you step on the gas and you get that feeling that throws you back in the seat, that's torque, okay? So it's asking to connect my phone. Nah, we won't bother with that for now, okay? But some nice features on this screen here is there's your backup camera, okay? You can hear the little noise from the back when I go back into park with that little flap closing back there. Okay, but nice, got those guidelines on there for you. Okay, radio. Okay, nice sound system in here too. Volkswagen always has a very, very nice, crisp, clear sound with their radios, so that's impressive. Auxiliary input here. Okay, if you have media, just hit that button there. And then on the car section, this is nice because you can kind of go into the settings and you can track tire pressure. You can adjust your light settings, opening and closing of the locks and windows. You can make some adjustments there. So it's very personalizable. Customizable, I should say, including the beep. You can put in service reminders there too to remind you when to come back in for oil changes, etc. Okay, CD player right in underneath here, hard to see, but it is right there. Okay, and then you've got your heated seats right here. So 1, you can see it's nice, got 3 bars, 2, and then 1, and then off. Okay, heated back window. And then just very standard gauges for the fan, where you want the air to go, and then your temperature, of course, air conditioning. Switch all the way over there. And that fires up the air conditioner. You see that light's on there now. Okay, nice little storage cubby down here. Oops, sorry. Little spot to put your coin change. It is rubberized, and it's got a nice little bit of grip to it too, so when you go around the corner, your coin shouldn't slide around and make noise. When you close it up, it's got that nice satin finish to it. Very, very luxurious look and feel to it. And then the shifter, of course, here. You've got the drive mode and then the shift mode. So when you come down and you go over to the right, up here, you can actually see the gear up the top that you're in right there. So it's only going to let me go to first and second just based on speed right now, which is fine. Okay, over on the side here, you've got the intermittent adjustable wipers. And then on this side here, you've got the cruise control setting, and of course the high beam switch, go forward. Okay, cup holders are nice and deep, and they've got a nice little spring-loaded little tab on the side there to kind of center up the cups and prevent them from tipping over, and then of course charger outlet there. And down inside there too is another one. So lots of places to plug in a phone per se to charge it up. Nice big glove box there too with the tow hook in there. And again, that satin finish just kind of goes nicely right across the car. Very, very clean. Non-smoker. You got your sunglass holder up there as well too. Okay, and then your inside lights as well too. So, but this car needs a new home. It only has 46,000 kilometers on it. Price has been reduced. We just have to find somebody that wants to buy it. So, and we're doing at-home viewings right now. If you're interested in taking a look at the vehicle, test drives with COVID-19 unfortunately aren't available, but we're making every effort to make sure we keep you safe at home, and we sanitize the car when we bring it to you to make sure that we're doing our best to keep you and your family safe while trying to help you through your car purchase. So, any questions, you can click the link below and send an email off to us through the website. Also click the like button if you do like the video. Hit the subscribe button there too. We got lots of videos coming up every day for different vehicles. But I thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Be safe.